Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block artists on Spotify. First guys, make sure that you open up a song and then go for the settings side or just the three dots icon in your right upper side, and to find out the artist go for view artists, and for example we'll go with Arman Second. Now what I need to do to block this artist, just simply on the three dots beside the follow option, I'll need to go on it and choose the second selection that says don't play this. Click on it, and guys, with this we have blocked this account or this artist on Spotify. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys.